Proper sauna. The most important tips and tricks. A real sauna has to be learned. Taking a sauna strengthens the immune system, prevents colds and headaches and migraines, but there are a few things you must be aware of. If you do it wrong, you will do more harm than good for yourself. This is the right way to have a beautiful and effective sauna experience. In order to get the best health benefits from visiting a sauna, there are a few basic things you should keep in mind. Under no circumstances should you go to the sauna on a full stomach. Otherwise, there is a risk of nausea from exposure to the heat. But you shouldn't go to the sauna, even on an empty stomach. A sauna session about 1 to 1.5 hours after eating is ideal. Before going to the sauna, you should take a good shower to remove the greasy film on your skin that could clog your pores when you sweat. After showering, dry yourself off very well. This will encourage sweating in the sauna afterwards. Avoid too much clothing. Only go to the sauna with a bikini, swimming trunks or a towel tied on. Be as calm as possible in the sauna and try to relax. Be sure to bring a large towel or sheet. Spread it out on the bench and sit on it. Sweat on the sauna benches is very uncomfortable for everyone else and also for you. If you are a beginner in the sauna, you should first give preference to the lower benches. Because hot air rises, it is a lot hotter on the upper bench. When you go to the sauna, it is always important how comfortable you feel. Because a sauna session should by no means become a torture. Only stay in the sauna for as long as you feel comfortable. If you feel unwell, you should leave the sauna immediately, as you could pass out or have a heart attack. To avoid fainting, get up from the lying position about 2 minutes before walking. Sit upright as possible. Move your legs to allow blood to circulate well through your body. As a rule, you shouldn't stay in the sauna for more than 15 minutes at a time. 8 to 12 minutes are ideal. However, the duration of a sauna stay differs from person to person. Health, stamina and constitution of the person play a role. In many places, the so-called infusion is carried out in the saunas. After a 5-minute warm-up phase, water is poured onto the hot stones. This phase takes about 5 minutes. This is followed by a phase of so-called post-sweating. You should not enter the sauna during an infusion. To protect your health and breathe fresh air, it is advisable to go out of the sauna every 2 minutes. How to get out of the sauna? In order not to harm your health, you should also leave the sauna properly. Take a cool shower after a sauna session. They are good for your health when the shower water and air are cold. Take a warm foot bath after using the sauna. The warm water can dissipate the body's heat. You can prevent colds with the help of a foot bath. At the same time, you can prevent excessive sweating by taking a foot bath. Treat your body to rest and relaxation after the sauna. Lie down for at least half an hour and relax. You should only drink after the last sauna session. Alcohol is taboo after the sauna. Mineral waters with a high proportion of magnesium and calcium are ideal. Diluted fruit juices are also well suited for this. Make sure you drink at least a liter. Massages are also a great way to relax and do something good for your body after the sauna. In order to feel comfortable in the sauna, you should bring the right bathing accessories with you. Always bring plenty of towels and a sheet with you when you go to the sauna. You can also wear a bathrobe outside the sauna. You should also bring a shampoo and shower gel, as well as bathing shoes. Wear bathing shoes to avoid infection. Wrap yourself in a towel when entering the sauna. Before going to the sauna, go to the restroom, as the heat encourages kidney function. A warm foot bath and a warm shower before going to the sauna dilate the blood vessels and acclimate the body to the heat. Under no circumstances should you go to the sauna when you are under stress or after exercising. If you follow these simple tips, you will enjoy a relaxing and beautiful sauna experience.